Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas. I guess it's day 7. I have been sick for the past several days, so I'm kind of so out of it. I think I missed day 5. I'm going to try to get my video uploaded for today, and then this one will go up tomorrow. So I have just been so sick. I think it's like a stomach bug. I've had all the nausea, all the upset stomach, vomiting, the whole 9 yards, so I have not been able to film anything lately. Today's pretty much a wasted day. I had to take a sick day from work because it just was not happening this morning. So after sleeping for like several hours and just like hanging out, I think I'm at least to the point where I can get out of bed now. So I'm gonna try to just salvage the day and see what I can make of it. So unfortunately things happen and life happens, but we're gonna try to make the rest of today good. Oh my gosh, you guys, today has just been such a waste of the day. I have literally got up this morning at 7:30. I was getting ready to go to work, took a shower, immediately threw up after I got out of the shower. Like, horrible. So it was very obvious I was not going to work today. So I went back to bed and slept till about 11:30. And I was feeling a little bit better by then, but not much. So I got up for a couple hours and got a few things done, and then just had to go lay back down for a few hours. Then I got up again about let's see, probably about 2 o'clock, and I edited my video that's going up today. And for some reason that video took so much longer for me to edit, so I finally have it rendered. It is uploading right now. We've got about an hour left until it uploads. For some reason my internet speed is being so slow today, so hopefully I will get that up soon. And I'm just so tired, so nauseous. Like, I have literally had one piece of naan bread all day to eat. And now I decided I just needed something a little bit sweet on my stomach, so I decided in honor of my video, I am having one of my canned boba teas. This is the taro flavor. So I'm having that now. You can see the little boba beads in here. I'm drinking this. Oh, and speaking of, this is such a cute new cup that I got from Walmart. I love these so much, and they're so affordable. They're like $7 a piece. So this is just like a little pink, like kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like an iridescent pink. It reminds me of like a bubble. It's so cute, and obviously I have another one here. This is like the oil slick one. I got this back around like October. But they have so many of these, like, I think these might become a new obsession for me. One other thing I had to show, I got this in the mail yesterday. I ordered this from an Etsy shop, and I think that this is so stunning and gorgeous. It is a wooden bookmark. Let me take it out of the packaging so you can see it better. So this is what it looks like in detail. It is a Nancy Drew inspired bookmark. This is just so beautiful. I got it from an Etsy shop called The Bookish Den, and I literally already placed another order just because look how gorgeous this is. It's even prettier in a person, and I ordered some for some gifts for other people in my life, and I am so excited, especially since I am restarting my Nancy Drew book collection, and I want to start reading them again just as like a nostalgic kind of like childhood thing that I loved so much. I'm also a huge fan of all the Nancy Drew computer games as well, so it just has like a near and dear spot in my heart, and I thought that this was just absolutely stunning, and I wanted to share that with you guys. This is pretty much all I can stomach at the moment. It's just these little like mini garlic naan breads from Aldi. I love these so much, but yeah, I'm just gonna like heat one of these up and see if having a little something on my stomach helps. I think I'm gonna make some chicken noodle soup as well. I luckily had a can. Always need it on hand whenever you're feeling sick. It just sounds right. I don't feel good and it just sounds right, so we're gonna have this. I think I'm just gonna do it the easy way and just do it in the microwave. All right, we've got the naan bread, we've got our chicken noodle soup, a few crackers, and my boba tea. Strange combination, I know. No, you can't have my food, baby. You can't, no, you can't have it. But you cute girl. Okay, so I did a little bit of damage on the soup, but I don't want to risk it and eat too much, so I think we're just going to save this for probably tomorrow's lunch. I'm pretty sure I will be going to work no matter how I'm feeling, so something light and easy on the stomach would probably be best. Okay, and I was just thinking, like, what kind of container do you put soup in? I mean, obviously, I feel like most people use a thermos to, like, transport their soup, but I don't own a thermos, so I'm just going to, like, use a mason jar and hope that works. I don't know. Is that weird? Do people do that? Is that a thing? What do people do if they don't have a thermos? Someone let me know. All right, so I think this will work out pretty well. Of course, if I remove the lid, I will actually be able to heat this up a little bit in the microwave, so that'll be good, because otherwise, like with thermoses, like, I know that they keep things hot and cold and stuff, but I don't think it would keep it hot that long, so hopefully this will do, and this will be my lunch for tomorrow. We've got just a few more minutes on this video. As soon as I can get it uploaded, I think I'm gonna go take a bath after this. Just feeling like a bath kind of night. I could use it, and I feel so cold, so something hot and warm on my body I think would be very much needed. Although last night I was having chills, and I was so cold, so I had my little space heater on, and then I turned it off after a couple hours because it was starting to get warm, and then I was sweating the entire night. Like, I had a fan on, but I had some really bad night sweats. I'm not usually a sweater in the middle of the night. All right, I got my video uploaded and scheduled and everything, so that should be up in just a few minutes. I'm so glad that I wasn't missing 2 days of Vlogmas, because gosh, I already feel like a failure already. But I am going to take my bubble bath now. I think I'm going to use this bath bomb. It is the Bubble Bar in Strawberry from AOA from Shop Miss A. I used the Lavender Coconut one last week, and I really, really liked it. So I want to use this one again. Alright, I think I am just going to relax and call it a night here and enjoy my bubble bath and probably watch an episode of The Crown. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.